What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully everybody's having a great day wherever you are in the universe. It's Monday, that means it's MJ Monday once again on this channel where we talk about Jordans, and more Jordans. Hopefully you're having a great day and you enjoy the video. If you do, make sure you smash the like button, share the video so more people in the universe can see your boy Bossco. And if you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated on every single thing your boy Bossco drops. Without further ado, let's talk about these Jordan 33s, you dig? Okay, so these bad boys came out on the 16th of November, same day as the Yeezy restock. So when I went out to Foot Locker to go get these shoes, to go get these shoes, these dropped, and a lot of people were in line, of course, for the Yeezy restock. I thought the KYRIEs were dropping the same day. Unfortunately, they pushed the day back for them KYRIE tacos. I'm on them. I can't wait to get those shoes. But we talking about these Jordan 33s, which pays homage a little bit to the Jordan 3, as the Jordan 31 pays homage to the 1. The Jordan 32 pays homage to the number 2. So the 33 pays homage to the number 3. Let me know if you guys agree and you guys pick up anything on there on this shoe that you guys think reminds you of the 3. The box is pretty dope, as you see, all white box with engineered for flight at the bottom, as you guys can see. Pretty dope. You know, pretty big box. I mean, I wear size 13, maybe that's why the box is also big. But this box is pretty large. I don't know, man. That's kind of unnecessary, but maybe it is necessary. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box, you dig? All right, okay, so let's go ahead and get this thing off. Nice little pull tabs right here on the box, say engineered for flight on both sides. Very dope thing, red on the inside of the box. We don't wear the box, but the packaging is pretty important. My receipt, let's get that out of here. Then it comes with a card, I guess, explaining the technology on how to wear the shoe, what you're supposed to put on, how you put it on. I'm holding that right side up for you guys. Yep. Let me know if you guys went after these shoes or you guys like the 33s in general. The colorways that they have had so far are pretty cool, and this one right here is pretty fire. Actually, only one other colorway has released, but I've seen pictures of other colorways that might be coming out. I like this little astronaut kind of like, you know, almost like foil, but not. Pretty dope, you know, shoe covering, whatever they call that bag right there. I don't even care. But the shoe is fire. The colorway is dope. When I seen the colorway at first, I really thought it was dope. You know, pictures of them did it justice. This shoe really looks nice, and I want to know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. It is MJ Monday, and must I say, these are a dope pair of Jordans. Let me get this out of here. Come with your shoe tree, with a Jordan logo on it. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below, man. This colorway is dope. Very, very dope. Visible utility, invisible utility, the visible utility, I believe is the name of the shoe. Yeah, visible utility, very dope shoe. The colorway is dope. It pays, you know, pays homage, I guess, to the ACG. It looks like an ACG colorway, but also the utility. You know, they recently had the Utility 1 pack that just came out recently, which is this shoe here. I've shown this a few times on my channel because I think it is fire. I got this from my girl. She likes it a lot. But you see that yellow going on? That's what makes me think it has something in correlation to the whole utility thing going on. That's why these are called visible utility, I guess. But let me know if you guys know better why they chose this color or this name and the color. I think the color is giving it up to the ACG colorway. This shoe is dope though, man. The weight of it is pretty nice. No laces on it because it has new technology where you pull this tab right here to get it as tight as you need to. And it makes this wheel right here, which is some of the technology, it clicks, it moves. Maybe we can get a demonstration on that. Let me see if I pull it here. Hit it too. See it kind of. See how that wheel kind of turns? Hopefully the camera got that. And then if you want to loosen it, you just pull this right here and it loosens it right back up and your foot is good. From what I've been told by a lot of people and what I've seen, it is hard to get this shoe on no matter if you have wide or narrow feet. But, you know, you just got to get in there. Once you get in there, it feels real comfortable and great. I will do an on feet of this and I will give you guys confirmation of that, of not or not. And like I said, this thing's supposed to be paying homage a little bit to the 33 or to the 3. The 33 pays homage to the 3, forgive me. And I see that kind of here with this back little panel. Then I see this kind of cement midsole, which reminds me of like the cement 3s, which is one of the more popular 3s. Maybe something around the toe box. And then, of course, the back panel, which Nike Air and most Jordan 3s, the classic ones, have the Nike Air on the back. So those are 3 things that I see that kind of reminds me of the Jordan 3. Very dope shoe. The colorways are dope. The hint of the infrared, I guess that's the colorway I'll call it, the infrared right here. Looks almost like it would be in a place of an air bubble, but there is no air bubble on this shoe. The bottoms are pretty dope. I'm curious to see how these work out on the court. Can't play ball to the end of the year, but you know, hopefully I will be able to get on feet for you or a performance review of these at some point. But the tongue's pretty different. This strap right here on the inside kind of holds that in there, and it opens up so you can slide your foot on in. It's kind of different. The shoe and the technology is different, which also makes it fire. If you guys own a pair of 33s, let me know what you guys think about this shoe, the pros and cons of it. The pull tabs have like a unique 33 on it. If you look at it closely, the lines look like lines, but if you pay attention, they are actually a 33. Pretty dope, right? Pretty dope, man. This colorway is fire. I think it got slept on because everybody was going after the Yeezys and whatever else was coming out that weekend, so I think that's why these got slept on. But these are definitely a dope shoe. Let me know your true thoughts and opinions in the comment section. Let me get both of these bad boys out. Fire shoe, bro. Fire shoe. You can't go wrong with these things right here, bro. Jordan 33, man. I have a number 3 right here in my hand, and let's see if you guys in the silhouette, well, do the silhouettes remind you guys of each other? Let me know if I haven't pointed something out. Oh yeah, even the tongue with the Jordan symbol, how it's like a big Jordan symbol there on the tongue, very similar to the 33, very similar on the shoe. I think that's similar. The toe box, I'm not so sure if it's the same, but it almost curves kind of similar. It's a little bit more wider on the 33. And then what really pulls out for me is this side panel. I'm sorry if I'm not holding the shoe correctly. This panel right here, boom, is the same as this one right here. I don't know, IG.